Hello guys, it's Qora Digital Cash again. I welcome you all to today's video. I'm really happy to be with you guys today again. Okay guys, thank you so much for all the messages you sent to me based on the topic we started yesterday, which is boom and crash strategy for small accounts. Okay, I'm really happy that a lot of people have been waiting for this particular topic. They grabbed the opportunity immediately I released it, or I posted it on my channel, and I'm really happy about all your comments and messages. Okay, so we will continue from there. Today we will be checking out how we can grow our small accounts gradually to a reasonable level. So quickly, before we go into what we have today, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you do your personal research before you dive into any one of them, before you start trading on your real account. Okay, that is very important. Make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you start trading on your real account. That is very important. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we will be looking at how we can grow a small trading account into something reasonable, and this has to be done in a gradual process. You don't need to rush it, and you shouldn't expect to start making big amount of money right from the beginning. For instance, if you are trading with $50, you should be looking at, okay, let's say you are looking at the profit you should be making. It shouldn't be more than 10% of your trading capital. Okay, gradually you can grow it up till you are able to make big amount of money. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, you guys might be thinking that 10% of $50 is so small. Okay, if you are thinking that 10% of $50 is small, which is going to be giving you $5, then why don't you increase your capital so that you can make good cash with it? Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, whenever you are trying to make so much money, then that is when you lose your profit. You will know when the market is demanding at that particular point. Okay, all these are very important. This is basically for novice. Okay, if you are a pro, I know you can move up $50 to any level, but for a novice that is just learning how to trade with a small trading capital, I believe 10% shouldn't be too small. Okay, I mean, it's not too small for you to make in a day. Okay, because if you should calculate it very well, 10% is $5, and if you are making $5 times 7 days, that is $35. Okay, with this you will have been able to boost your trading capital to a reasonable level. At least if you are not withdrawing at all, your trading capital will be $85 at that point. And of course, if you have been compounding, okay, if you have been using the 10% on daily basis, then definitely you should even be getting more than $35, because if you get 10% of $50 today, which is $5, tomorrow 10% of your capital will be 10% of $55, so which should be giving you more by tomorrow. Okay, so that is it. So that is how it works. So you guys can always take advantage of that and use it to make the market successful. Yesterday we made use of crash. Today let's make use of boom 1000. And there is one thing I need you to know. Okay, I need to let you know, your charts should start from 5-minute time frame. Okay, that is still reasonable enough for you to control, and of course use reasonable lot size that your capital can control. Okay, that is very important. And just like you have known, the rule of the game is you should know the exact trend of the market. And if you don't know the exact trend of the market, if you don't know how to analyze it, you should use a trading tools that will help you to do so. 3M trend milker indicator, it will help you to achieve this. Okay, the trend is more important. Okay, with this you will be able to milk the market within the right trend. Okay, and of course you should know the right trend to trade the assets you want to trade. For instance, let's do this together. Okay, this is boom 1000. So the right trend for it, okay, since we are not trading the spiky part, is when the market is on downtrend. You can see this is when the market is on was on downtrend. Okay, you can see we only experience few spikes happening around there, which means within this region we will be able to make a lot of profits with it. Okay, so this is what we want you to do. Okay, you come in when you, make sure you come in from the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. Okay, you can now follow the entry point signal. Here is the entry point signal. Okay, here is the entry point signal. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come in around here, and of course you can come in around there, place your trade till you can take it bit by bit, place your order around there, and when it gets to this level, when the price action gets to this level, okay, you can close it and open another one right there. And when that gets to another level, probably A, you can close it and open another one right from there. When you open this, it spiked up, gave you some negative, came down again, and when it got to this level, you can close it again. Those ones that you are closing are going straight into your balance. Okay, it is helping you to gather some momentum, okay, at that point, because you are making some profit. You know, as a novice, if you start trading right from the beginning and you are making some losses, then definitely you will be scared of the market. But if you start making some profit, then you will have more confidence in the market. Okay, so that is it. So that is what I'm trying to bring out. Okay, I want you to have the confidence in the market. Okay, so you already know that the market is on downtrend within this region, and you are using a reasonable lot size, and you are coming from the resistance zone, then definitely you can do it bit by bit. Okay, open your trade, and of course after making some profits, you close it, and you close it right from there, and you open another one. So far it is still on downtrend. Okay, so that gives you an assurance that the market will keep on going down and down. Okay, except if it notifies you that the market is about to range, then you can stay away from the market. Okay, so you can close your market around here, because you've made some profit, and the market, you would have been notified that the market will be ranging around there, so you wait for it to finish ranging. Okay, and this is where it's finished. Okay, so you can come in around there again and trade to the next support zone. Okay, this is the next support zone. You close your trade around there. Once it breaks out from that support zone, you come in again, which is around here, and of course you trade till you make some profit, some reasonable profit, then you close it again. You can keep on doing that till you are able to achieve your daily target. Okay, and you grow it gradually till you are able to get to the end of the trend. Okay, around there is already around the end of the trend, so you should stay away from the market at that particular point, because the market will be reversing at this point any moment from here. Okay, this is where the end of the market. So this is where the end of the trend of this particular assets, this particular assets will be. Okay, the downtrend, this is where it's going to come to an end, and of course we should be expecting bull trend right from there. Okay, and that was what is happening at the moment. So if you have been going like that bit by bit, gradually you will be able to grow up your capital to a reasonable level where you will be having more confidence to stay longer in the market. Okay, it's a gradual process actually. So many people have been asking my experience asking for my experience on this, because I also break through using a $50 account. I broke through using a $50 account. Okay, I didn't just start like that. When I started with something that is above $200, and I lost it within seconds. Okay, in a day I lost it, and of course I had to go back to learn more. Okay, this happened several years ago. I had to go back to learn more from my foreign instructor, and of course I bought some materials which helped me to understand the market properly, and that was when I knew that I had to take it step by step before I will get to that level. Actually, when I deposited $50, not that I was having so much confidence to trade the market at that particular point, but I was just trying to to test out some of the things which I have learned, and of course which I have practiced enough in order for me to get started. Okay, so I just want to try that out. I had a plan, I had a written plan on how I will go about it, and I was having my daily targeted profit, okay, which is realistic enough. My target was to be having to be making nothing less than 5% of my trading capital on daily basis, and that was how I started. But later on, after trading to some level, because I was always having profit, it was building my confidence gradually within the market, and of course, and I started growing my capital gradually like that, and within a week I was able to raise it up to above $2,000, and that was how I got to that level. Okay, that was how I got to this level. So anybody can actually do this. Okay, it is a gradual process. Just take it up one after the other. Just follow the steps which I have highlighted in this video, and of course you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time, and gradually you will also be building more confidence for yourself. Okay, and of course guys, I will be dishing out more information about this in my next video. So make sure you keep you keep on with it. Okay, make sure you track it up, and so that you can understand it better and know how to go about it, and always practice a new strategy that you are learning. Okay, always practice it. Even if you're a guru, always practice it before you start trying it out on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.